The camp of suspended Mayor Alice Guo calls on the Ombudsman to call off its suspension order. Here's the report.
The legal team of Bamban Mayor Alice Guo appeals the preventive suspension issued against her.
Sana i-lift na yung kanyang suspension. Napakahaba ng 6 months eh.
Guo was suspended to prevent her from influencing the probe into her alleged involvement in POGO operations in her town. The mayor's legal team argued that the Interior Department lacked solid evidence to file the complaint against Guo. They also defended that the POGO raided in March had complete documentation.
Bakit hindi niya i-issuean ng mayor's permit yun? Kung ang aplikante compliant. Kasi meron tayong batas na Anti-Red Tape Act tsaka yung Ease of Doing Business. Pag hindi ka nag-issue ng mayor's permit, ikaw naman ang kakasuhan. Ngayon, nag-issue siya ng mayor's permit, sinuspende naman siya.
The preventive suspension also covers Edwin Ocampo, the head of the Bamban's Business Permit and Licensing Office, and Aden Sigua, the municipal legal officer. Guo's camp also addressed the supposed changes in Mayor Sal-En.
Allowed naman kasi ang isang public servant na i-correct niya yung kanyang sound. Meron tayong tinatawag na amendment of sound. Hindi naman abogado yung tao. Siyempre, kung ano yung sa tingin niya dapat niyang gawin, ang importante, tini-clear mo.
Meanwhile, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission maintains POGO hubs have underlying security threats.
Hindi naman po may tatatwa na kung ano ang malaking problemang idinudulot nitong mga POGO na ito. I don't call them POGO hubs anymore. They're scam farms. Yeah. They're scam hubs.
The PAOK says they are now closely monitoring all crimes linked to POGOs. For 1PH, Rainiel Pawid, News 5.
So that is an expected move from Mayor Alice Guo's camp. Okay, at kadugtong niyan, syempre, yung nililink kasi nga, itong si suspended Mayor Alice Guo sa POGO.